Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee and we are here once again with another annual favorites video. So if you're interested in seeing what made my top 5 favorite products list of 2026, definitely keep on watching. Hi, I am Amanda Renee, and here on this channel I do all things natural hair, from natural hair product reviews like this video to tutorials, and I'm trying to get into more natural hair reactions on different natural hair topics. So if you're interested in any form of natural hair content, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. But without further ado, let's get on into today's video, which will be my top 5 favorite natural hair products of 2026. So starting off strong, I have hair. We're not going in order, I'm just picking up as I go along. First off, I have here the TGIN Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. Honestly speaking, as soon as I tried this, it automatically became a favorite. I absolutely love the slip. I love the moisture. I realized that the more you add is the more moisture or the softer your hair will feel, and I love that for me. It is not thick, so my low porosity girlies or my girlies with fine strands like myself who are not too convinced about trying TGIN products because some of their products are on the thicker side. Keyword, some of their products are on the thicker side. Definitely try this, and it was quite affordable. It was under 50 or even 40 Barbados dollars. So definitely pick this up, especially as it is a 13 fluid ounce bottle, and if you use it on wet hair, a little will go a long way. This is definitely a fave, hands down, 100%. All right, we have here the Mielle Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. Not gonna lie, in the beginning I really did not like this leave-in conditioner whatsoever, but they say you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. And they also say that you should give products a chance to work before you throw them out, even though you may not have a good first impression. This just needed to sit on my hair. After applying it in the shower with my direct source of water instead of applying water to my hair, to my dry hair, mind you, after the fact, my hair was soaking wet from just shampooing and deep conditioning it, and I just went straight in with this afterwards, literally afterwards. Oh my word. The slip that this had and the softness that it had, especially when I let it sit on my strands. Oh my goodness. This is in the same ranking as the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner in my estimation. And that says a lot because the Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In is one of, if not my favorite leave-in conditioner. So the fact that it is up there, yes, absolute must try. Definitely try it on wet hair, and definitely make sure that the product sits and marinates in your strands before you use it. I found that it helped me a lot, and My hair remained soft for the week. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this. Moving right along, the Camille Rose Black Castor Oil and Chevy Cleanse. I have grown to love this. Reason being, it gives my hair a very nice clean. I said it in the beginning when I first used it, and I will say it again. It gives my hair a very nice clean. I also realize that it doesn't strip my hair too much, especially since I then go in with my moisturizing conditioner, or my deep conditioner. This gives my hair a good base to work with. So I also appreciated that, and I also appreciate the fact that a little goes a long way. I've had this bottle for over 2 months, over 3 months, I believe, and I still have a little way to go. It's quite concentrated, so I don't need to use that much if I didn't want to. So I really like the fact that it gave me a nice clean, and although it is on the pricier end, because for some reason Camille Rose products are kind of pricey here, but um other than that, definitely worth your money. And it is a very close second to the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. So for a 12 fluid ounce bottle, I really do love this shampoo. Moving on nicely, my fourth product, which is in the same Camille Rose family, we have here the Spiked Honey Mousse. I was not expecting to like this because my initial reaction when I put it on my hair, I said, absolutely not. There's no slip in this. Absolutely not. But girl, the definition and the shine and the longevity of my curls, oh my goodness. Absolute favorite. Absolute favorite mousse that I've tried from Camille Rose. I believe that this is the only mousse I've tried from them. I am really eager to try more mousses, but this is a top product that I would definitely pick up from Camille Rose. I only used this once. I want to revisit this. However, I do absolutely love the fact that it has the claims of boosting shine, and it did, because if you check out my video, my hair was shiny, and it smoothed the strands after applying and having a hard time raking my fingers through. Once I got that taken care of, I realized that it did smooth my strands. So it's not a bad product whatsoever. And for that reason, it's in my favorites because, as I said, the definition and the longevity plus the shine, girl. Absolutely recommended. Recommended 1000%. Alrighty. Again, this product made it to my favorites because I just love this product so much. And it is again the Guava Slip Whipped Souffle Styler. The texture down to how it moisturizes my hair, to the longevity of my curls, to me not needing that much if I don't want to. But since I like to fully coat my strands, I use a decent bit. I love this styler hands down. I used to say this about the Amanjai Twisting Butter, but since I don't have my hands on it at the moment, I don't have anything to compare these two products, but this product is the bomb in my estimation. I know that some people don't like this product, and that is completely fine. Not your head of hair, it's mine. So as it currently stands, I love this product. The smell can be a little irritating if you do have a sensitive nose. However, if you don't mind the smell, because it does have a fairly strong smell, if you don't mind the smell, girl, this is a product to try. As I said, the slip that you have when you add water to your hair, hence it being a part of the guava slip collection. The moisture that you will get when the product sits on your hair, especially if you add a leave-in conditioner underneath. The definition that you get and the longevity of the curls, girl. Absolutely 10 out of 10 recommend. Recommended 10 out of 10, no questions asked and no hesitation. Honorable mention, honorable mention. This is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Need I say more? Need I say more? I already mentioned it earlier on in this video. Need I say more? The slip that this gives. I didn't really like it when I applied it outside the shower. However, when I did apply it in the shower, oh, the slip that this gave and the moisture, girl, the moisture. I absolutely loved the moisture. And I love the smell. And the slip. The slip. Oh my goodness, the slip. I love the slip. This made the favorites because it has so much slip and the moisture. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's a pity that this is going to make my empty soon, but really, actually, this is an honorable mention for a reason. It can't not be in a favorites video because this is just a favorite. So that's all I have to say. This, the slip and the moisture, absolutely. That is why I said that this compares. These two are in the same line up top because maybe this is a little higher or maybe they're at the same line or the same height, but people, when you leave these to sit on your strands after you apply them in the shower, the slip that you will get from these things is immaculate. That is all I will say. So with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more natural hair content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying a new natural hair product but has no idea what to try. Definitely send this video to them, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.